Welcome to my channel Sala. I'm here again with a nice video. Today I will make the SAS of the 82 square meter prefabricated building you see behind me. Friends, we will come together with the material used inside and out. Friends, before starting the video, if you subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button at the bottom right, you won't miss the next videos. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. Have a good time. Yes friends, our building was built as a prefabricated house of 82 square meters. That prefabricated building was built on the US platform, that is, on the platform chassis without pouring concrete on the ground. Our building is inside, outside and lame press panels. We have a wall thickness of 10 centimeters. We have an entrance door, a steel door. From this kitchen we have a sliding door to the balcony again. Let's move on to the work of our building slowly. There is a wound in the face of us. We have an exit from the kitchen with a sliding door between us, and its meaning is made of ceramics or something. This is the steel door. When we enter through the steel door, a small hall welcomes us. Right here on the right, our kitchen. The cabinets of our kitchen section were installed, ceramic works were done. Our customers are slowly starting to settle in their building now. Friends, our lamps. Our sockets have been installed, our first exit paint has been done, our doors are again American press doors, and we can work on more special doors, such as minute doors and so on. One of the most frequently asked questions is, how is the heating system? With the stove, is to knows. After leaving the living room of our building, there is one bedroom at the back of our new building. In the questions that are very difficult, the windows are Adobe 70 series double glazing. Are our lamps double glazing? Friends, these lamps are completely like this. We are working football, and after this room, I will show you. Now we have a water tool bathroom section left. When we enter through the door, toilet section, WC section, shower cabin, 90 by 90 square oval. According to the request of this customer, there is a sink on the shoulder. Here we have a space reserved for the washing machine. Friends, bars axis. Our prefabricated building of square meters was like this. Guys, thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Goodbye. Have a good time. Subscribe.